Hi. Today I am going to share rising cost of living and how we can manage it. Nowadays, we can say that after the America, Israel and Iran war, the cost of living has become major challenge for many families. The price of food, fuel, rent, and health care are increasing rapidly. People often struggle to manage their monthly or daily expenses. However, we can handle this situation by planning our budget carefully and avoiding unnecessary spending. In addition, saving money regularly and using resources wisely can reduce our financial stress. Moreover, learning new skills and finding extra sources of income may improve our financial stability. Thus, with the proper planning and a smart decision, we can manage the rising cost of living more effectively and efficiently. Thank you all.